Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, as you can tell, is going to be opening the last part of the Real Littles mystery box. The first two videos are already up, so if you missed those, I will leave the links down in the description below. So let's go ahead and get started and opening this up. I already opened up the package just to show you what the original package looks like. And you just open it. I already did part 1 and part 2, and now we're on to our last part. Okay, I did already pre-open the packages, but I didn't really see. I just kind of like opened it and threw them in there just to make this speed a little bit faster. But we're gonna go ahead and get started. So this first one, it's a brand that I've never really heard of. I mean, I've seen them at the stores and stuff, but I haven't really heard of them. It's called Marie Callender's, and this is a key lime pie. And this is what this one looks like. And this one is a cute little pie slice, and it has like the whipped cream on top. And the face is so cute. Just like that. Okay, this next one is another Marie Callender's, and this is the peanut butter cream pie, and it looks just like this. It looks like, oh, the face is right there. I don't know if you can actually see that because it's so dark, but it is actually winking, and it has the little frosting, and that is so cute. Next one is actually one of my favorites that I like eating for breakfast, is this Pop-Tarts cherry. We did get a sprinkles one, but I do like this cherry one more than the sprinkles. And this is what this looks like. And this is so cute. It has like the little bitten off part right here, and it's like the little cherry inside, and then it's also squishy. Okay, another Marie Callender's, and this is the broccoli cheddar and potato pot pie. I actually enjoy eating pot pies, but again, I've never heard of this brand, Marie Callender's. Oh, and it's so cute. It has like the little stuffing coming out of it, and it's like kind of hard to tell because it is all glittered, but I don't know if you can see it. That's what that looks like. Okay, another Nutri-Grain morning energy bars, and this is in the cherry. And oh my gosh, this is so cute. The face on this one is so cute, and it has like a big piece missing off the top, and again it is squishy. So that looks like. Okay, this next one is Klondike Original. Okay. Oh, and this is what this one looks like. And it also has a bite mark on the side. Okay. Next one is Scribbler's Popsicle. That looks like. Oh, and this one has the 3 colors, and it's like melting already. I don't know if you can see that well. Okay, this next one is another Klondike, and this is the Choco Taco. That one. I've actually haven't eaten a lot of Klondike products. This looks like. So a lot of these Klondikes are new to me. This next one is the Kellogg's Eggo Thick and Fluffy Double Chocolatey. Oh, and it's one waffle, and it has the little like whipped cream on top. That looks like. Okay, this next one is a Welch's Natural Strawberry. That looks like. Oh, and this one actually has like the strawberry juice on a spoon. That one looks like. Ooh, this next one is actually another one of my favorites. It's the Frosted Flakes. Oh, and this one's in a clear bag and it's winking. And you can actually shake it up and it has like the Frosted Flakes in there. I don't know if it's, you can actually see that. I don't know, can you see it? I don't think so. But it is so cute. Okay, this next one is Fruit Loops. And I can actually hear something inside already. Oh, and it's another clear bag. And then on the inside, it has all the little like Fruit Loop pieces. And they are pretty clear, so it's kind of hard to see. Okay, this next one, it's a Hebrew National Beef Franks, and this is beef franks in a blanket. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. It has a little like the little sausage sticking out. And this is what this looks like. That one's pretty cool. This next one's a Good Humor King Cone in vanilla. Oh. And this is what this one looks like. It's like a cone and it has a little tail and the frosting or the ice cream on top. This is so cool. Okay, this next one's a Mother's Circus Animal Cookies. Oh, and it's a stackable cookies, and the first one is a camel. The camel, I don't know if you can see that, that's the camel on top, and then this is the stackable cookies. It's so cute. Okay, this next one is a kid cuisine. Oh, and this is what this one looks like. And on the back is just a little like tray. Okay. This next one, it's this Fudge Stripes Original. Yeah. And this is what this one looks like. I've never really had these crackers before. I always see them, but I don't really tend to go for these. Okay, this next one, it's a Ready Whip. That's what this looks like. And it's just whipped cream. There it is. Okay, another Marie Callender's, and this is the, let's see, chicken pot pie. So the first one that we got was a broccoli cheddar pot pie, and this is chicken pot pie. Oh, and it's basically the same as the first one. And it has the little like stuffing coming out. Those are so cute. Okay, this next one is a thick and fluffy original Eggos. And this is what this one looks like. Again, the waffle and then the raspberries on top. Okay, this next one, it's a Cutie O's cereal, and I think this is like their Shopkin brand, because I don't think, oh yeah, here on the back it actually has like the Real Little packaging. Ah, this one's like stuck in here. Oh, I was actually thinking it was gonna be like one of these like regular bags, but it's not. They're like big donuts almost, and they each have a face, which is so cute. Okay, this next one is another Klondike, and this is the vanilla sandwiches. Oh. And this is what this one looks like. It is like all brown. I kind of wish the middle part was white though, or like clear to match it, but it's still pretty cute. Okay, we have 4 more left, okay? So this next one, it's Marie Callender's, and this is Dutch apple pie. Oh. And this is also a piece of pie, but instead of being long ways, it's like and this is what this one looks like. Okay, this next one's a Good Humor Giant Napoleon. And this is what this one looks like. And this one actually has like the clear on the inside, and then a bite mark. Okay, this next one, it's a home style Kellogg's Eggos. And I think out of like when I eat waffles, I think the original one is always my favorite. Oh, and it's also another waffle, and then it has a butter on top. And for our last one, it's another Marie Callender's, and this is the chocolate satin pie. Let me know if anybody has tried Marie's Callender's, because I see it, but I've never tend to pick it up, and I kind of want to try it now since I'm seeing so many. And this is what this one looks like. And it has also like the frosting on top. There it is. And that was it. We're done with all of them. That was so many. And I need to find a place to put them at. Okay, and we're all done opening all of the Real Littles. That was just so many of them, and I do have a few favorites, but let me know which ones were your favorites in the comments down below. Like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell for those notifications, because there will be more videos like these coming soon. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next one.